Okay, so welcome all. Welcome to Financial Freedom. My name is Samir Bapat, and today we are going to learn about ultra short term RSI strategy. So it's a very powerful strategy. The successful success rate is almost 85% to 90% in this. It's a very short duration trade. So this is the disclaimer that this will be best suited with the derivatives trading. We have covered in last 2 3 weeks. We have covered our future and options. So this technique works fantastic. Like, it enhances the strength of this technique when you trade with derivatives. But before you trade this in derivatives, you should have fair knowledge about derivatives. Nonetheless, if you are trading it with stocks as well, this will give you fantastic results over the uh, as you trade it. So I will give you the data also for you to back test. You can do the testing, you can record it, and you can see how much return you can get by trading this. So can I have yes from all of you if you are ready to learn this powerful technique? Yes. Okay, great. So let's go ahead. The setup. This is the setup. The setup is we will be using RSI of 3 days. Normally, RSI is for 14 days, which is by default. We will be using RSI for 3 days. Then we will be using simple moving average of 5 days. Then the setup is the RSI falls from value 10 to below 3 in 3 days. So it can be 10, 7, 5 and 3, something like that. So in 3 days it goes down. So we will be using that RSI falls in 3 days to value 3. Example is 10 to 7, 7 to 5, 5 to below 3. So in 3 steps it goes down below 3. So this is the setup what we are looking at. Once we have this setup, I'll share with you the entry rules. You can take a snapshot. If people want to take a snapshot of this right now, they can they can as well watch the YouTube once I upload, and take a snapshot that time also. So entry. Entry is when the RSI is below 3. RSI goes the value below 3, buy at the closing price. So you have to buy, if you're buying a share, you have to buy that share at the closing price. If next 2 days further it goes down, so let's say we bought it today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, if 2 days it goes down, buy on the third day as well, and exit when it closes above the 5-day moving average. Second is, so exit criteria one is once we buy it, first buy, then second buy if required. As soon as it goes above the 5-day moving average, exit. So you might get anything between 2% to 5%, you will get in 3 to 4 days. Second is in case it goes up, it touches the 5 days moving average and it starts coming down, then below the low of candle of entry after price touches the 5-day moving average. This is the exit criteria 2. Exit criteria 3 is if RSI goes further down after 3 days also. So first we have bought, second time we have bought, still the RSI keeps going down, better to exit and come out, wait for uh, another trade. So this is the exit criteria. So those who want to take a snapshot, take a snapshot, take a screenshot, so that we move ahead. Okay, so let's go ahead. Now, let's see. Okay, now we have this screen. Can you see the chart on my on the share? You are able to see the chart? Okay, great. Now the step number 1, what we have to bring in is we have to go to indicator, bring the RSI. RSI, once we pull in the RSI, the by default value is of 14 days. So we go to the settings, Inputs, we change the RSI length to 3 days. Okay. Now we have RSI length for 3 days. So the RSI will change. Then we pull in the moving average, simple moving average. We pull in simple moving average. By default in trading view, it is 9 days. We make it 5 days. And let me little bit make it darker. Okay. So this is a 5 day moving average which we have put on this. Now what we have to do is I have uh, pull in. This is the in chart link. I have done this filtration. You can as well do this filtration. You can take a snapshot of this. You can put in chart link. It gives a filtration criteria. It will give you the outcome. From this outcome, I have got this data. So when this has occurred, this will not occur every time. So you will have to keep an eye, you will have to keep alert using chart link. You'll get alert that day you can trade. Will it be coming most often? This is the data of around 9 months, last 8 to 9 months. And as you can see, there was around almost like, yeah, so there were almost 160, 170 opportunities in 9 months itself, right? So there are ample of opportunities also in this trading strategy. So let's go and understand it first. So what we have done is I'll pick up the Aarti Industries. Let me put it here and okay. Then let's go to the date. It is 24 to 2022. Okay. So 24 2. Okay. So I have marked it. Now here, if you can see Aarti Industries and if you can see this 24th February 2022 type A. Okay, great. Thank you. See, now what has happened is this is the 24th February. This is what you will get if you run that query on ChartLink. This is what you will get the query. Now, if you can see, let me just move it here. I'll just put a line also. Now, for RSI value, you have to look here at the left bottom. Here you have to see the RSI value. So I'm taking my mouse on 24th February, the RSI value. Can you see it? 2.48. Can everyone see the RSI value is 2.48? So it is less than 3. Agreed? It is less than 3. So 3 days before. So 1, 2, and 3. So 3 days before the RSI value, can you see it is greater than 10? Agreed? So 3 days before it was greater than 10. It came down from 10 to below 3. So this is how our condition is met. So from 12.21, it came down to 8.32, 8.32 to RSI value came to 7.77, and it went below 3. As it comes in 3 stages, below 3, then we have to buy at the close. So when the price is closing, so you will have to put an alert in ChartLink that as soon as this occurs, if it is coming below 3, you'll get an alert. You buy at the close. People who trade in derivatives, they can devise the strategy around this, and then you buy on this. And when do you exit? The exit criteria is when it closes above the 5-day moving average. So now you can just see that we are able to generate like this time we are lucky, it's giving 7% returns. I will put one more to make it more effective. I'll put one more moving average, which is 200 days moving average. Okay. Okay. So I'll tell you later what happens to 200 moving. So this is how you have to trade. Let's take one more example. I have marked here, which is my second example. Like I said, okay, this was what has happened is, okay, those who have joined late, the you can go along with me as I am explaining. Here also, if you see 25th April, the value is 1.82. It is below 3. 1, 2, 2 days before and 3 days before it was greater than 10. So 1, 2, 3, it has gone below 3. RSI value has gone below 3. You buy here. Next day, second day, this has still gone down. The close has gone down. So this is the first day we buy here. Okay. We buy at this price. Then it has gone down, so we don't buy the next day. The third day also, if it is closing down, we buy here and close when it is going above the 5-day moving average. In this case, it is sort of no profit, no loss. So far, so good. Can I have yes from all of you who have understood so far? Okay, great. Let's take some more examples so that those who have joined late can as well enjoy it. So let's say ABFRL, it is 10/5/2022. Okay, here it is. Now we have this again has gone down below 3. 3 days ago, this is 4.2, 8.4, 20. Okay. From above 10, it has gone down 8.41, 2, and 3. In 3 steps, okay, Amba Prasad is asking, how are you seeing the RSI value? See here, the RSI, after RSI, this value is written no, in the purple color. You can see here the purple color. If I am keeping my mouse here on 10th May, you can see the RSI value. It is 2.97 right now. If you are joined from mobile, it will be difficult to see, but from laptop it will be easy to see. Now here it has come down 2.97. In 3 steps it has come down. So you buy here. In case it goes down, second day you buy here and you exit when it closes at this location. Fine, everyone okay? Good, so far so good. Simple, technique is simple. Yes, okay. Let's take few more examples. Let's take Adani Ports 11/5/2022. Okay, this is 11/5. So this is again 1, 2, 3. It is starting from above 10, 6, 3.67, below 3, 2.89. We buy here at the close, then wait for 2 days. We can buy here if it goes down and close here. So it will average out. Fine. I'll take 2 to 3 more examples and then we can take the questions. Alchem 24/2. Okay, so we have stop loss. Just hold on, option. I had some examples of, maybe this is the example. Okay, 24/2. Again, this is going down. We have 1, 2, 3. This is starting from above 10. then it goes below 10, 2, 3, we buy here, sell here. See, sometimes the two candle will repeat, sometimes it will not repeat. So you have to buy the first time. Here, in this case, it was after first candle itself, it went up. So it is not necessary that every time there will be two candles. I'm just trying to search the exit criteria. Yeah, I think Amar Raja Battery has one of the exit criterias. Let me put it here. 26. Okay. So okay, no, so this is also not having, okay, so this is 26 and it closes up. Yeah. Okay, so how many of you got this technique? How many of you, can I have yes if you understood this technique, you found this technique interesting and simple and powerful? 200 SMA, this technique will be more, we can say this is more powerful if you are using it above 20 SMA, right? And then if it is below 20 SMA, thoda sa you have to take caution. Those who don't want to trade 1 day or 2 day, they have good patience, they can as well take it to weekly. So what I will do is, first of all, I'll share this sheet. I want you to go through this all. How many are there? 167 setups with the dates are there. I want you to go through those setups. So first of all, I'll just don't type anyone, don't type. I'll copy this link. I will first of all share this with you. Okay, I'll share this link and this dump with you. So just click on the link, you'll reach to the sheet, you can make a copy for yourself. So make a copy for yourself. You have all this 167 setups for testing, back testing. So you can go and do the back testing, whatever I told. So you have 167 setups, it will give you good practice. Okay, second thing is, this is, you can take the snapshot of this. This is the chart link. This is the chart link. This chartlink.com is a website where you can create this conditions which will give you outcome. So paid version, it will send a SMS. So you need not like look at it as and when this condition happens. This is exactly 2 lines. Okay, latest RSI 3 less than number 3, 3 days ago RSI 3 greater than number 10. Simple, as simple as that. If you are having a paid version of chartlink or any alert, even TradingView has a option of programming, so it give you alert. So you need not have to look out for charts and all every day. You can make your watch list, it will give you pop-up, it will send a SMS. You can do that, very simple. You can backtest it here and you can check it out. That's it. Here, Shashank, this is the format I have applied and this is it. Okay, so I'll open it for the questions. If you have any questions, I'll allow you to unmute. Just type in your name. Okay, yeah, Abhishek, go ahead, please.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
Sir, stop loss.
Stop loss, typically, I was trying to find, I had some setups here. Let me just find out Ambuja Cement. Just let me wait. I had gone, I have seen some stop loss here getting activated. इसमें क्या था? अंबुजा सीमेंट में 2012, 21, okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this is, sorry, this is not working out. Okay, then 24-2. Okay, so let's say 24-2. 24 This is 24. This is one of the stop loss. See, anyway, we have to wait for 2 days, correct? Now here, what has happened is, here we bought and the close was not below this, but this touched, this price touched the 5-day moving average and it started going down. You can put the stop loss here below the low and exit. At the time of entry, there is no stop loss per se. If you want to do a risk management per se, this technique will not have that way risk management, because anyway after 2 days also we are buying one more to average it.
Right.
So it's mostly, that's why I'm giving you almost 167 trades. You can go through it very less times. Stop loss will be there. In worst case scenario, just for example, I'm telling, let's say this is our entry. 1-2 days again, still it's not going up, it is going down. Exit the second day low. So this was, let's say for example, I'm saying, if this was our first entry, this was our second entry, still it is going down, exit below the low and come out. Don't wait beyond that. After second day, it has to go up.
Okay. कितने round of buying कर सकते? Just one more, ना? One and then one more. उसके बाद भी if it's going down, then
उसके बाद अगर नीचे जा रहा है तो छोड़ दो उसको, exit and come out.
ठीक है सर.
जैसे अपन ने आरती में देखा था ना, आरती इंडस्ट्रीज में.
जी आरती में देखा था.
है ना, तो वैसा उस टाइप से आ जाएगा.
जी.
Same thing you can do for weekly also. Same thing you can change it to weekly and do it on weekly. Balaji, I'll not be able to, Balaji and Archana, okay, I'll not be able to give examples with derivatives because I'm uploading it and I don't want people to trade derivatives just based on this video. Okay, so those who know derivatives, they will already have the idea what to do. Correct, Abhishek?
Samir, one question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ankur.
So basically, the RSI value that is below 3, now that will be determined only after end of the day. So are you suggesting to take the entry at 3:25 p.m. or the next day?
Yes, 3:25 p.m. only.
Okay.
Sometimes it will gap up. See, it's already stretched and it will gap up. So it is better you set alert. Charting paid is having alerts. You can, I think you can program Pine script. If you know, you can program in TradingView. It will also give you alert whenever it happens in whichever script. So you can run this at 3:25. See, it's giving in 9 months, it is almost 160 opportunities. So you can say how many opportunities per month. It's almost like you will have one opportunity every alternate day. So you will have some alert every day. You will have opportunity every day that way. The setup joined the late, sorry. Okay, setup is, okay. So now this is the setup. Okay, is it okay, Sumant, if I show here only? See, you have to do RSI 3 days. It is not 14 days. Okay. So RSI is only for 3 days. You have to change it to, from 14, you have to change 3. Okay.
Okay.
Second is RSI should go down below 3 in 3 steps. So let me just show you what is the 3 steps. It is 24 to. So here, if you see in Aarti Industries, one more thing is we'll take this 5-day moving average. Then RSI has to go below 3 in 3 steps from 10. So if you see from this candle, 3 days before, RSI is 12, correct?
Okay.
Then it has gone to 8, then it has gone to 7, then it has gone below 3. So if it starts from 10 in 3 steps, it goes below 3, buy at close, exit above the 5-day moving average. Fine.
Okay.
And if it goes below in 2 step, like here 1 and 2, buy here, and exit when it closes. There was some example here.
Sir, Shashank.
Yeah, Shashank.
Just like you said, so we have to close when it reaches above 3, right?
Above the 5-day moving average.
Above the 5-day moving average. Okay. So compulsory it has to be above that.
It has to close. See, we are buying here, we are closing here. In 1 or 2 days we are closing it, right?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shreya, go ahead.
Hi, sir.
Yeah. Hi. Good evening.
गुड इवनिंग सर। जैसे हमने ये तो मतलब जब RSI 3 के बिलो जा रहा है उसके लिए कुछ
हाँ, हाँ।
ऊपर के उस रिवर्स में भी हम कुछ कर सकते हैं क्या, मतलब
रिवर्स में
for
95
trading
के ऊपर,
95 के ऊपर?
ये जैसे यहाँ पे है, ये 95 के ऊपर है ना यहाँ पे,
यस।
तो ये 95 3 स्टेप्स में, मतलब 85, 82, 88, 87, 95,
ओके।
3 स्टेप में 10 के गैप में, राइट? इट गोज अबव 95, यहाँ से यहाँ तक। सो ये जैसे ये अपना 95 यहाँ पे, आई थिंक दिस इज 87, दिस इज 90, मतलब वो उसको स्कैनर लगा के 95 कर सकते हो आप।
ठीक है, थैंक यू।
No, Pawan, it is for buy. I'm sharing it for buy. He asked for sell, so that's why I said for sell. Yes, Zafar, please go ahead.
Hi, Samir. Good evening.
Very good evening.
Once again, a very good session. Thanks for the
Thank
session.
you.
This 200 days moving average, I couldn't understand its utility.
नहीं, उसमें क्या है कि if someone wants to be more safe, कि मैं थोड़ा और safe होना चाहूँ, मतलब 85% से मैं 90% पे, if they want to take the probability of winning, trade if it is above the 200-day moving average.
Okay.
So it is effective below the 200-day moving average as well, but it is like the probability increases above the 200-day moving average.
Okay. So it should be below 5 and above 200, you mean to say? Because we are trading
below
in
5, so RSI 3 में anyway it will come below 5.
So we are below 5, but we can check if it is above 200. That is more safer, more less risk.
Yes.
Okay, good. Thanks.
Okay, thank you. See, yes, Pawan, we can sell only in derivatives. We can go and sell in shares. We have to buy. So you can have the returns will be anywhere between 2% to 5 to 7%. So you have so many opportunities. So if you take 1111% also, it is like 100 trades also you are taking. This is good enough. Okay, so great. Thanks for joining. I believe all. Yeah, Paramita, yeah, go ahead. What is the question?
Yeah, for example, if it doesn't happen in 3 days, it is happening in maybe 2 days or 1 day, from 10 to 3, then is it valid?
नहीं, तीन स्टेप में जाना चाहिए वो.
Okay. It has to be 3 steps.
हाँ, it has to be 3 steps. See, why I'm keeping 3 steps, you can check it out. I have not checked out why it has to be 3 steps is because then sometimes it goes below 3 and goes further down.
Yeah, because sometimes big candles and then it keeps on going down only.
Correct.
Okay.
But it works, 80% profitability है इसमें. So
Okay. When it comes down in 3 steps.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, Arnav can you show how to set the filters on chart link? This is the filter on chart link. You can take a snapshot. Yeah, Nitin, this is for derivatives also. I am not discussing how to trade derivatives, but this technique is quite powerful for derivatives as well. Okay, so great. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for joining. Hope you all enjoyed and you have the sheet. Those who joined late, I'll share the sheet again so that you can do some back testing. Someone was asking how to do back testing. Just open the trading view and you can go to chart one by one and see whether it has worked in past or not. If it has worked in past, it will work in future as well. Okay, sorry, I only. Okay, great. So thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you for joining. See you on next webinar. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Samir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.